Alright guys, we're going to check this sentence using our editing sentence checklist. First thing we need to do is read our sentences and check for capital letters at the beginning of the sentence. We like to eat eggs. They are so good. So I have two sentences, so I need to find the beginnings of each sentence. We, that's the beginning, and it does not have a capital W, so I'm going to make a capital W with my red. I'm going to make my red just a little bigger so we can see it. There we go. We like to eat. This T is in the middle of the sentence and should not be capital, so I'm going to make it lowercase. We like to eat eggs. That's the end of my sentence. My new sentence should have a capital at the beginning. They, it does. The T is capital. They are so good. Okay, my capital letters look good to go. Now I'm going to check for my punctuation. So when I finish a sentence, I want to hear you say, period. Here we go. We like to eat eggs. Period. I'll add it. They are so good. Period. All right, I've got my punctuation marks at the end of both sentences. I can check it off. Now let's check for finger space between all of my words. We like to eat eggs. They are so good. Spaces are between all my words. Now let's reread it to make sure it makes sense. We like to eat eggs. They are so good. All right, your turn on the next slide to use your drawing tool to check the sentences.